Hey guys, welcome back to another video on GFXCOMET YouTube channel. It's me Turbo. Today I got a UI commission in front of you guys. So for this UI, first I already got some vectors right over here. So you guys can see these are some of the vectors I just made. So these are some of the vectors I'm going to be using. I already got a color palette right over here, as you guys can see. So first of all, we are gonna have to make a little bit small, as sort of like a bar like this, then just round it a bit, and now that looks good. And then just need to color it, and now I'm gonna do CTRL-D and duplicate it, and then just gonna color it to this gradient I have over here. Then gonna take my text tool and type sort of like level 1. Okay, there, yeah, now that looks perfect. And just gonna size it a bit. Let's go for 96, and that looks good. And I'm gonna be doing the same right over here, but over here I'm gonna be doing 2, and now that looks good. Now for this one I'm gonna go for this pink gradient, and for this one I'm gonna be going for the green gradient. Okay, now I'm just gonna, yeah, that looks good. So now just gonna group it, and now that's done. Now need to make a small box right over here, size it so it matches the same size, and just gonna go 350 actually for the height, 350, and there we go, that looks perfect. And now for the background I'm gonna go for this color, and I think I might round it to a 15, maybe not 15, 20. Let's go 20. Yeah, 20 looks perfect. Now I'm just gonna make small square boxes right over here. I'm gonna go 320 by 320, and just gonna choose a bit darker color on over here. So let's go a bit dark. Yeah, that looks good. So just gonna place it right over here. I think let's go 315 actually, and yeah, now it matches the size. So now we got a square box. I'm gonna be using this smiley vector over here I just made, and I'm just gonna put it on top over here. Then just gonna size it a bit big, and there we go, that looks perfect. Just gonna go for a bit dark color, not that dark, yeah, this dark, I think fits perfectly. Let's go 15, and that looks good. Now let me just group it, and yeah, that looks perfect. Now just gonna CTRD, and yeah, now that is a lot of squares right over here. So now just gonna group it by clicking CTRL-G. Now that's grouped, and just gonna place it a bit closer to the level UI. And now the rectangle, that is done. So for the next one I'm gonna be doing is the buttons. So just gonna do a little placement. Let's see, let's go 500 for this, and same color as always. And then we are gonna be using the rectangle tool to make some squares. For this I might go 250 by 250. No. Let's go 450 by 450. Let me see. Okay, 450 is not looking good. Let's go for 100. I think I just go and scale it a bit, and of course need to round it to 20, round the square to 20, and I think yeah, that looks perfect. I think I might make it a bit bigger so that I can hold actually 4 squares. We only need 4 buttons, so just gonna make this a bit big, and just gonna scale this a bit big. let's go 600 actually, and just gonna CTRD to see that it duplicates correctly. And I think we got a little bit of sizing problem, so just gonna have to make a little bit of gap over here, and I think that looks good. So I think that looks good. Let me just size it to, yeah, no need, that looks good. So now for this first button I'm gonna go for the pink gradient. For the second I will just go for the purple one right over here, and for the third I'm gonna go for the cyan color. For the fourth I'm gonna go for the green, and I think there's a bit too much gap over here, so just gonna go 653, and there's a bit gap over here. Let me see. So there's a bit gap over here. Maybe I would have to make the UI a bit smaller. Let me see. Okay, I'm just gonna sizen it a bit, so this square won't be needed, and let me just size it a bit, and just gonna have to size this as well, and just gonna have to place this level over here and make sure it's aligned to this text, and think that looks perfect. Now to center everything, and yeah, that looks perfect. And I think I might not go for this much squares. Yeah, that looks perfect. Now for this buttons, we already got some vectors I made over here, so I'm just gonna drag them over here, and now just gonna get this vectors over here, make it a bit big, and there we go. So let me just see. I think I haven't made a gradient wrong or something. Yeah, I think, yeah, I just this should be orange. Yeah, now that looks good. So for this first vector I'm just gonna place it over here. Okay, that looks a bit big. Let me size that a bit by pressing K, and yeah, there we go, that looks good. So first is gonna be the settings button, so I already got a color for that, and then for the second one it's gonna be shop, so just gonna place the shop right over here and center it, and now that looks perfect. Now just gonna change the color to a bit dark and sort of color, and there we go, that looks good. And now gonna do the same for the pink one actually as well. Okay, now just need to place this perfectly, and there we go. Then now just need to center it, and okay, now that looks good. Now just gonna go for a purple sort of color, and now all of that is also done. Now just need to center this smiley emoji, smiley vector as well, and do the same for this one. Let's go for something dark pink like this, and maybe lighten a bit or darken a bit. Think I go a little bit light over here, or maybe dark. Maybe I go a little dark. I think I would go for a bit yeah, this color looks good. Just need to fix the stroke, and now that looks perfect. Now I just need to center it, and there we go. Now that UI is done, I think the vector size is a bit big, so I'm just gonna send small little bit more smaller, and maybe a little bit more smaller, bit smaller, bit, yeah, I think that size fits it perfectly. Now I just need to center it and then position it and everything, and there we go. Now I just need to center this, and I need to center this, I need to center this, and yeah, there we go. That's the UI, that's done. Now I just need to group it and just give it a little bit gap over here, and there we go. Now that's entirely done. So this is the UI. So guys, now for the final preview of the UI. So guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.